Title: The Ephemeral Pursuit. Once upon a somber dusk in the quaint town of Eldoria, nestled between dense forests and mist-covered hills, a mysterious air descended upon the hamlet. Whispers of an ethereal being, neither alive nor dead, spread like wildfire through the cobbled streets. The townsfolk, apprehensive and curious, locked their doors and shuttered their windows as darkness cloaked their haven. Amidst the hushed tones, an aged librarian named Elias uncovered a dusty tome in the hidden corners of Eldoria's ancient library. The yellowed pages told of an otherworldly entity, a spectral being known as the lycanthrope, said to traverse the mortal realm in search of a relic, the Luminara stone. Elias, fueled by a thirst for knowledge and an unquenchable curiosity, embarked on a perilous quest to decipher the meaning behind the lycanthrope's quest. The townsfolk, now stricken with trepidation, witnessed the unfolding enigma that veiled their once tranquil abode. As Elias delved deeper into the arcane texts, he unearthed a cryptic prophecy that foretold the merging of realms, where the ephemeral and corporeal would collide. The lycanthrope, a guardian of balance, sought the Luminara stone to prevent the cataclysmic convergence that threatened to engulf Eldoria and the ethereal planes. A clandestine meeting with an enigmatic seer revealed the significance of the Luminara stone. It was a crystalline embodiment of harmonious energy, capable of weaving together the threads of existence and averting the impending calamity. However, the lycanthrope's pursuit was not without purpose, for the relic's power held the key to a delicate equilibrium between the worlds. Driven by newfound purpose, Elias ventured into the heart of the mystical forest, where the lycanthrope was rumored to roam. Shadows danced eerily around ancient trees as Elias traversed the labyrinthine paths, guided only by the soft glow of fireflies. The forest, teeming with spectral echoes, seemed to come alive as if warning intruders of the ephemeral guardian's presence. In the heart of the forest, Elias encountered the lycanthrope, a spectral silhouette adorned in ethereal wisps. Its gaze, a fusion of sorrow and determination, met Elias's steady gaze. With a solemn nod, the lycanthrope acknowledged Elias's understanding of the imminent convergence and the necessity of the Luminara stone. Together, they embarked on a journey through the astral realms, facing spectral challenges and unraveling the threads that connected the ephemeral and tangible planes. As the duo approached the celestial chamber where the Luminara stone lay dormant, echoes of the prophecy resounded, underscoring the gravity of their quest. In the ethereal chamber, Elias and the lycanthrope confronted the convergence, a maelstrom of energies threatening to tear the fabric of reality asunder. With the Luminara stone in hand, they channeled its harmonious energy, creating a resplendent barrier that stabilized the delicate balance between the realms. As the celestial energy subsided, Eldoria emerged from the shadows, bathed in the soft glow of newfound tranquility. The townsfolk, once haunted by fear, now looked upon Elias and the lycanthrope as guardians who had safeguarded their world from an ephemeral catastrophe. In the aftermath, Elias returned to the town's library, the once dusty tomes now imbued with the wisdom of his journey. The lycanthrope, having fulfilled its duty, vanished into the realms beyond, leaving behind a whisper in the wind, a reminder that the ephemeral pursuit had woven a tapestry of balance and harmony, where the tangible and intangible coexisted in delicate equilibrium.